Millen from AV King. Just wanted to show you how the touchscreen and the Logitech PTZ camera work together. As you can see here, we've got the preset 2 set to zoom out this camera. So I just press number 2 there, and that'll take it out to its maximum zoom to show the 6-person table. Obviously that camera is quite close to the table. It can be mounted in a larger room to show off more people or different room settings. Also preset 3 on the remote will take it over to the far right and zoom all the way in, just to give you an idea of excuse me, just to give you an idea of what it looks like if you take it to the maximum range and zoom. So as you can see there, that's zooming in quite a long way down the road there. So that's the 65-inch IFP touchscreen being used with the Logitech PTZ camera. We've got this with a huddle pod system there, and obviously we do have that huddle kit there as well. avking.com.au if you'd like a demo of this in your office. I'll just quickly show you on our website. That's the Logitech package, and that's the little huddle pod. So obviously with a system like this, you can just kind of do all the different notes that you need in your meeting, and it can deliver a great experience for the people in the room. And you can also set this up with casting wirelessly from your laptop as well. avking.com.au.